But right at the top, of course, this is a trailer review, and it's the trailer review and reaction for the movie Rangoon. It's the first of the year. Hello and welcome. I'm Denzel. A happy new year to you, and hope आपके लिए ये साल बिल्कुल ही मंगलमय हो. It is filled with abundance of all sorts, that you are safe, that you're secure, that you're good. And now let's talk about the review. क्यों? है ना? अच्छा, पहले बात करते हैं. आपने मूवी रिव्यू देखी? The review is very cool. From the very beginning हमें ये पता था कि of course this is going to be the war epic that Vishal Bharadwaj has made, and he certainly has made a war epic. Okay, right at the top, it's set in 1944, which is the Second World War, in the midst of the Second World War. जैसे हमें पता है कि it is also very close to Indian independence. So there are two elements to this. There is the Indian independence struggle, and there is World War II. इतना पता चल गया हमारे को right at the beginning of this movie, because there are these planes that come on, बिल्कुल ऐसे लगता है जैसे कमांडो की तरह टाइप की आवाजें आती है. And then of course the movie starts. That's the setting. Well, there is a third element to this. Of course there are two great actors. No, there are three great actors in this movie, and all three of them we see in the first half of the trailer itself. That of course is right at the top. We have Saif Ali Khan, and there's this whole Saif Ali Khan and a kind of Hunter Wali Kangana Ranaut. She actually looks like Hunter Wali. Have you seen Hunter Wali, the old Hunter Wali? ये बिल्कुल वैसे लगती है. The Hunter Wali का new avatar in 1944. She of course is an actor, a dancer, and she's in love with Saif Ali Khan right at the top. Now she goes, जिसे लगता है माटा हारी का नाम सुना आपने? Anyways, Mata Hari is was this spy, and Kangana Ranaut in this movie बिल्कुल ऐसे लगती है जैसे माटा हारी की तरह. So she is the Indian version of Mata Hari, and she has to go across to Burma on a mission. Now the mission, of course, securing her on this mission is Shahid Kapoor. Shahid Kapoor एक normal soldier है जो war के दौरान जिसको खींच लिया जाता है war front से और कहा था इनकी आप रखवाली कीजिए, चलिए. तो that's exactly what he does, and somewhere along the way he falls in love with Kangana, and Kangana falls in love with him. Now that's where the whole twist happens, because अब ये triangle हो गया है, और एक बहुत धांसू टाइप का ट्रायंगल. वैसे एक चीज मैं कहने चाहता हूँ, प्लीज मुझे कहने दो यार, प्लीज. कभी आपने सोचा है कि इस पिक्चर में कौन कौन है? बता. हाँ, एक है सैफ अली खान, वेरी गुड, टिक्ड. एक है शाहिद कपूर, टिक्ड. एक है करीना कपूर. और नहीं, सॉरी यार, गलती हो गई. नो करीना कपूर. बट इफ करीना कपूर was in this movie, it would be the perfect on-screen love triangle to the perfect off-screen love triangle. कितना कूल होता ना. पर अफसोस ये हो ना सका. और अब ये आलम है कि पिक्चर में they are both, that is Saif Ali Khan and Shahid Kapoor, are both fighting for the same girl, which is Kangana Ranaut, and she seems to be in love with both. And मतलब जिसे कहते हैं चाकू की नोक या तमंचे के पिस्तौल के नली से, they are both trying to get hold of Kangana Ranaut. That is very, very clear. So this is a love triangle, and it could have been a real love triangle as far as I am concerned. Acting के तौर पे I'd say one thing about this movie. It's going to be a rock star. Why? Because this man Vishal Bharadwaj, जो डायरेक्टर है, नहीं पता आपको यार, कैसी दुकान में रहते हो यार आप. Vishal Bharadwaj is the director. Now if you remember, if we rewind a little bit to movies right from the top, like Heather, like Kameene, he has got the best out of Shahid Kapoor. And then if we rewind further into territory where Saif Ali Khan was playing Langda Tyagi in Omkara, I would say मतलब सबसे बेहतर परफॉर्मेंस है सैफ अली खान का. So there's both of them. There is going to be great acting from both of them, and Vishal Bharadwaj certainly, मतलब he can really get really good acts out of both of these actors. The question is, there is Kangana Ranaut. Does she overpower both of them? I think not so, because तीनों की बहुत cool acting. तो इस मूवी में ये पक्का है कि acting बेहतरीन होगी, बिल्कुल class 1 टाइप की. Okay, the story of course looks good. It's set in World War. The only thing is, are we able to do World War graphics very, very well? Are we able to do history, और जिसे कहते हैं epics that go back in history very well? We are not really. Even इसमें भी the graphics are little tacky. मतलब मजा नहीं आ रहा. वो उस टाइप की जैसे international quality की graphics होती ना, वैसी नहीं है. They are, you know, there is graphics happening. Okay, so and the song sounds right. At least there's a part of a song where she plays this whole Hunter Wali type act with the patta and all. So Kangana Ranaut. So that also looks very, very cool. So all in all, what are we going to get? We're going to get really powerful acts. because there is Saif Ali Khan, there is Shahid Kapoor, and there is Kangana Ranaut. Three of them are capable of very, very good acts. We're also going to get a good story because Vishal Bharadwaj, by and large, I'd say by and large, yeah, by and large, there's really, really good stories, especially the period time. So it's going to be a movie that is back in time, but certainly the love triangle is looking very, very good. The love triangles, we've seen so many love triangles. I hope there is a twist to this one, and I hope at the end of the day, Kangana Ranaut gets whoever she wants in the movie. That will be a really cool twist to the movie. Anyways, so what happens at the end of this? I say bye, but before I say bye, I say a lot of other things, which is of course that, have you watched us Bollywood Pataka, the website? It's called bollywoodpataka.com. If you've not been there, आज ही जाके चेकआउट करिए. इसके बाद ही बिल्कुल क्लिक करेंगे तो आपको मिल जाएगा. Bollywood Pataka is a website. We've got a Facebook page. We're on YouTube, like where you're watching us. So love, like us, share our stuff, and a happy new year to you. God bless you, and hope you have a fantastic year in 2017. It's going to be the movies all the way, and the right at the top, of course, there is a really large bunch of them coming up. So we're excited about the movies. I hope you are too. So you can share what you think of this review, this reaction, what you think of what we're doing on Bollywood Pataka, and we'd love to hear from you. And every time we get some kind of reaction, we say, okay, let's change that. So next time we're going to change it, and we're going to tell you about it, so you will know that, well, it was changed. Right now, what do I say? Shut it down, dukaan band, and bye from me.